What's up, guys? Good morning. So this is Marlouis, and today's video we're gonna talk about tax. So wait, magta-Tagalog na lang ako kasi baka mapanood na ng mga taga-US yung video ko at magka-tax pa ako. Alright, so ang video na to ay about the newest or the latest update from YouTube, and I just checked my notification bell. I just received notification from YouTube creators and for required for all monetizing creators outside of the United States. Creators means if you're inside the United States or outside the United States, Philippines, Europe, or all over the world, we are required to submit our individual taxes information. So for this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to submit a tax information, since required na tayong mag-submit nito. So I hope this walkthrough will help you on how to submit tax information. Now if you go to your Google Adsense, so you'll see I have two notifications. The other one is for the payment that was put on hold because I have still not yet verified my address, and the other one is for the tax information. Now let's go ahead and try to read more about the latest update about tax. So, payment submitted tax information, just click on learn more. There you go. So, tip, so how to submit your tax information. So, ito yung mga information like the walkthroughs now. We can submit our tax information now. Mas message yan, mas mahirapan kayong pumunta doon sa page kung saan tayo mag-upload ng tax information. So just hit on manage tax info, and from there you'll see from under payments you can also go to payments and then manage tax info. That should be the right section. Now it says here United States tax to get payouts from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. Alright, so let's hit on add tax information. You may need to re-sign in. Okay, so there's a question. What type of account is Marlouis Bentoy? So you can also click on that one. Individual account is owned and operated by a human and not by a legal organization. Taxes are filed in the owner's name in a personal tax return. The individual entity's account business is separate from its owner for tax purposes. Basically, that's pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm an individual entity, so I'm going to hit on individual, click on next. Are you a citizen or a resident of the United States? Basically, I'm not. I just know how to speak English. So hit nyo lang yung no, then click next. And so these are the two types of tax form. Based on your previously selected answers, a W-8 form is needed. Okay, so the first one says W-8BN. This form is mostly commonly used by non-US individuals and also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. The other one is the W-8ECI. This form is commonly used by non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business, files a US income tax return. So I'm not going to choose the second one. I'm just going to go ahead and click the first one. If Philippines has a tax treaty benefit, so we can take advantage of that one if there is. So click on start WBN form. And it's still loading. Alright, there you go. So you'll have here already inputted my name, name of the individual, Marlouis Bentoy, and DBA doing business name is disregarded entity. So what's this? Doing business or DBA is name, a company name different from owner's name. Okay, doing business a DBA name is a company name different from owner's name. A disregarded entity is a business entity that has a single owner, isn't a corporation, US tax law, and is not considered entity separate from its unit for all tax. This is usually shown in the reference number. Line tax more disregarded entities. Okay. A doing business name. So it's a doing business name. It's a DBA. All right. A country of citizenship. So of course Philippines. You just hit P to make it faster. Philippines, and then you'll see taxpayer identification number. Okay, a taxpayer identification number is a tax processing number required by IRS. For some taxpayers, more about 10. For foreign 10, don't include any other foreign personal identifications, Korean resident registration number. If you're claiming treaty, you're required to provide a foreign 10. Now, dito tayo sa foreign 10, guys. Because for this one, US ITN or SSN, Social Security number, that's for United States people. Now we are foreign people, so we just need to fill out or put in our TIN number. Well, I do have my TIN number. It's just that I forgot where I put my TIN number. Hang on just a second. Hey guys, so I do have my tax information number, or tax information number TIN. So for the TIN number, it consists of 9 numbers. Just don't include the 000 for Philippine people, Philippine peeps. So I just have here my TIN number. So it's just 3. Make sure to double check or to double check yung number nyo guys before kayo maglagay dun sa foreign TIN, because that's very important. So for this one, I'm just gonna disregard the second one. I'm not gonna put anything on that one. Just the TIN number and the country citizenship and my name. So just hit on next. So let's go to the permanent residence address. Now guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, sobrang importante nito kasi pag hindi tayo naglagay nito, regardless if hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng viewers from the US, this is mandatory. We say mandatory, we're obliged to comply with YouTube's guidelines or policy. So you just need to follow. That's pretty much it. Now, if you don't have a TIN number, if you're underage, you can just put in probably your brother. Basta yung may TIN number na makapag-provide, just to make sure na makomply lang natin yung regulation ni YouTube ngayon. All creators must submit proof of tax information. Permanent resident address is a PO box in care of. You will be required to submit additional documentation. My address is not a PO box, so I'm just gonna put it in here. Ayan guys, so lagay nyo lang yung city nyo, and then yung postal code ng city. Then, mailing address same as permanent resident address, so just click on the box para same lang yung address niya. So, wag nyo i-click yung PO box, hindi naman PO box yung nyo. Then next. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? No, US law may impose 30. Resident of the country claiming treaty with the US. We can check if there's a Philippine treaty. Yun. Philippine tax treaty with US. So let's try if there is. It reduces to 30% in the United States and 35% in the Philippines. So the maximum rate withholding tax of the treaty is 25% on portfolio divided into 20. So there is. There is, guys. It should be 25%. Income tax convention with the Republic of the Philippines and exchange of notes. Convention at Manila with exchange of Washington, November 1976, transmitted. Okay, general under tax. So basically, we have a treaty, or tax treaty under US, which is for 25% lang siya. So blah 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 blah. So we can just hit on yes. Philippines. Special rates and conditions, service adsense. What's this? You may be exempted or have taxes withheld at reduced rate or certain income types earned in US. These reduced rates and exemptions vary among countries' specific incomes. Select all that apply to you. You can claim any future income type you may plan to earn from Google products, services, AdSense, motion pictures. No. So reason normally meets the terms of treaty. As a tax resident of the country identified in the tax identifier section, the individual identified in the tax section meets required terms of the treaty and doesn't have a permanent establishment in the US or the right to proper respect which royalties are paid and effective and the permanent establishment flexibility. Alright, I'm good with that. So yun lang, click mo lang siya. I confirm that I reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and I believe they are true, correct, and complete. So the last step, guys, is that the last step? This is the 4th step, document preview. So maybe we can preview this or not. So just hit on confirm that you acknowledge and reviewed the tax generated documents. So just click on next. Under penalty of perjury, I declare that I have examined information and knowledge correct for the individual that is beneficial owner, authorized individual owner, blah blah blah. Full legal names. You need to put in your legal name. Legal name. Yes, I'm the person listed in the signature section completing this on my behalf. I'm signing on behalf of the person listed. Yes, I am the person. Next, has the individual or entity identified in tax section perform activity service Google with US? No. Untitled activities are performed US. What's this? Service activity performed in the US. Non-US pays may be subject to US withholding tax. Google may require to withhold US tax. If you select no, you certify that Google doesn't pay you, or you organize for your service activity performed in the US. You may be able to reduce the rate of your elementary tax if you complete the US tax and form with a valid income tax treaty claim. Second, yes. What's this? Are you providing tax info for a new existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payment profile that has previously received payments? I'm providing tax for a new existing payment profile hasn't received payments. Yeah, so hindi pa, first time ko lang sa YouTube guys, hindi pa ako nakaka-receive ng any payments. So, piliin niyo yung hasn't received payments. Wag yung previously received. Para lang yun sa mga nakasumasahod na sa YouTube. So, submit. And that's it, guys. So, manage provide tax of your payments profile. Country determine your taxes collected will help protect. So basically here it is. United States tax information status approved, submitted March 9, which is today, submitted by Mark Women. So it's my name and my permanent address, my mailing address is the same with it. So just make sure it's the same, guys, para hindi na siya masyado magka-problema. So if you will see tax for withholding tax rates, guys, we have a treaty, guys, ha. With between Philippines and the United States, we have treaty for tax rate yan. For the default, which is we have a 30%. But that we for me hindi siya magma-matter kasi wala akong viewers from the US. Most of my viewers from the Philippines. So approved na yung status ng tax ko. So I'm good with this. So basically yun lang ang gagawin niyo. Follow niyo lang yung steps na ginawa ko. And yeah, you're good to go. So I hope guys na nakatulong kayo, guys. Or nakatulong or I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo, guys, on how to upload your tax information. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on how to my channel for more videos. So thank you so much, guys. God bless. Bye bye.